So guys, let's make a farina. First of all, you have to put water for fire, let it boil before using it. This is how you make farina. Set the water to the quantity you want to make, guys. Go in with your flour. Make sure you let the water boil. You have to use boiling water. Go in with your flour and start mixing it. Mix it together. As you can see me doing over here, guys. Turn it together. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of water. Please, if you want to make it, take the measurement so that you will know the exactly amount that you are making. You have to keep turning it, mix it together so that everything will combine together. You don't have to stop, because if you stop, it will have seed. Turn it together. So you can see this one that I'm making is too strong, so I will also go in with a little bit of water. So this is how you make farina. So you go in with a little bit of water. After adding the water, make sure you cover it to cook. Cook it for like 3 to 4 minutes before turning it again. 3 to 4 minutes, guys. Okay, guys. After 3 minutes, I open it. So it's time to turn it. Can you see that? Turn it very well. Just watch it to the end and see the outcome. This is how you turn your farina. This is how you turn your farina. Turn it to swallow. You want to turn your farina to swallow? This is how you do it. My special hug to you. Love, honey. So if you want to make farina, this is how you do it. If you like it strong, you can reduce the water. If you like it soft, you add water. This one is ready. It's just for me to turn it together. Some people like to put groundnut oil. They have small groundnut oil, but me, I don't like to put small groundnut oil. Make it like that without no oil. Don't put oil. Yeah. If you can make farina very well, you don't need to put any oil to make it. So it's ready. Leave it for like a minute before serving it, guys.